So in my research, I take an integrated interdisciplinary approach using theoretical models of evolution, social network analysis, and observations of wild animals like birds to try to understand the evolution of the interactions between individuals of different sexes and what this means for the evolution of social behaviors, their morphologies of their bodies, and their mating systems and how they choose mates. So one of the areas of my research deals with sexual conflict, where males and females are in conflict over their ability to choose mates freely. I hope that by understanding all the dynamics underlying the evolution of the way females can evolve to become more free in their ability to choose mates in the face of coercive behavior by males, we can understand how those dynamics may have played out in the history of our own lineage and other animals. So one thing that's amazing about IAST is that this kind of thing happens all the time, where there's a talk, maybe one of the seminars is happening, and the topic seems pretty distant from what I'm working on. For example, last week there was a talk about the ethics of artificial intelligence and I think it's driverless cars, right? I went to the talk expecting to have an interesting time, but it ended up being a discussion that was really relevant to my own work on sexual conflict in terms of thinking about individuals' agency and autonomy in a world where they maybe don't have all the information they need, or there are forces that are causing them to make certain decisions and not others. Well, Toulouse is a beautiful place. It's as beautiful as they say, actually, which I was happy to see. I love walking through the streets. I love seeing the river. One of my favorite things, though, to do in Toulouse is to see the introduced parrots. In Toulouse, there's a population of rose-ringed parakeets that's been introduced from Africa, and you can see them flying through the city. One of my favorite things to do, actually, is sit at one of the cafes at Saint-Sernin at about 7:30 p.m. and the parrots will congregate and flock together, and you can see them whizzing through the streets in these like streaks of green over your head as they go to roost at Jeanne d'Arc for the night.